we just got a call. We're gonna head out to Twisted Sister. So we're gonna backtrack a little bit here and go see what they need out there. So we're on Twisted Sister. This is a pretty tight trail for the wrecker. Think you can squeeze it through the trees?
I'm trying. Doing pretty good so far. Oh, this is really tight.
You're good. Okay, well, we found them. They were leaking coolant pretty bad and starting to overheat. So we got some coolant in them, kind of got it plugged off a little bit. So they think they can make it out without overheating. But we're gonna get in front of them, and if they have some more problems, well, we'll put them on the hook and we'll tow them back. That's all right. It's fine. So this side-by-side is overheating, and when it overheats, the computer shuts it down, so it won't run. And we're just gonna flat tow him back to the parking lot and get him out of here. got them back to the parking lot, and be honest with you, I did it because seat cover was a little nervous about flat towing a RZR through that tight trail.
Yes, I was. That was way too tight for me.
Well, we flat towed him out. I kind of felt like Matt there for a minute. So we got another call. This time a Cherokee that's broke down. It's actually on a core trail, and I think it needs to be towed back. Maybe we can talk seat cover into towing this one back. Seat cover needed a little help getting that lined up and hooked up, but we're gonna let her haul it out of here. All right, we got it hooked up. Seat cover's in the driver's seat. She's gonna tow it out. So, since I'm in the passenger seat, I'll give you a weather update. The clouds cleared off, it stopped raining, and the sun came out. It's about 68 degrees. Took my jacket off. It's nice here for northern Minnesota. So this one is broke down. We're gonna take it all the way back to the campground.
Back at camp, but the fun is not over yet. I guess you'll have to wait and see what happens in the next video. Thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Oh, I got this.